Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna talk about the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit. This kit is made of high quality materials and a foldable nylon cover, which not only provides high reflectivity but also delivers softer and even light with a wider range of illumination, maximizing the soft light ability and eliminating those pesky shadows. Now let's address some common questions. Yes, the energy-efficient 85 bulbs are a fantastic feature, providing from 3000 to 7500K daylight CFL lighting while saving up to 80% of energy, plus with a bulb lifespan of over 10,000 hours. The sturdy aluminum alloy tripods with independent locking knobs ensure that your setup remains stable and wobble-free, and the rotatable head gives you the flexibility to adjust the angle to meet your specific needs, whether it's for photography, live broadcasts, video fill light, and more. And here's the cherry on the top. Torjim offers 12 months free warranty and lifetime professional customer service, so you can have a peace of mind knowing that you're supported every step on the way. So, if you're looking to take your indoor photography and videos to the next level, the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit is definitely worth checking out. Happy shooting!